Hello, in this video we are going to look at class inheritance. So this is, fantastic. So instead of having to, create multiple classes, even though let's say one class might have similar functionality to another class, you can do something called inheritance. So we have this vehicle class. What if let's say we created a car class? So we did class, then car, for example, colon, and then we would have all the features. But if we put brackets and we specify another class name for vehicle, so very similar to what we did here, object is just a built-in class, so that's the reason we sort of just overlooked it at that point. But we've created a car class, or we're in the process of it, hence the error, and it's inheriting from vehicle. So what does that mean specifically? So let me put here, I'm going to put weight equals, let's say 10, and I'll put, let's say, a method as well. So I'll say increase weight self, and I'm going to put 10. I'm going to put weight. And now what we're going to do is just put self.weight equals weight. Need to increase it, sorry, like so. Okay, all those warning errors have disappeared. Fantastic. So what this means is car has this attribute, it has this attribute, but it has access to all of these attributes as well. So we can do the increased speed. So if we were to create now child car, I'm going to call it, equals car, for example, and let's say if I were to do print, and for this print I am going to put child car dot weight. I am going to print that again, and now I'm going to do child car dot increase weight, and I'll increase it by 9. And now let's also print child car.speed. So we'll have access to the speed, increase speed method, but we won't, use that at the moment. We can sort of overlook that. If we run it, there we go. We get 10 for the weight. After it's increased, we get 19, and for the speed, we get 0, which is from here. So that's the beauty of class inheritance. We can basically absorb functionality from another class, especially if it has common functionality, because you can think of it in real life. Everything is like an object, and you might have furniture, that's an object. Part of that, you might have a table which say have legs, for example, and other features. Then you might have a certain type of table, and you can just inherit from it. So you can just have like a trickling feature effect. That's it for this video. In the next one, we're going to be covering inheritance a bit more. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you very, very soon.